Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hadra, and today I'm gonna tell you guys how to use PowerPoint. So this is how we all go into PowerPoint, and if this comes in, just cross it. And over here you can find lots of wallpapers, and you can put it on your screen. And this one is my favorite because I love the pastel color. Look, it's so pretty. But you can choose your whatever you like. You can probably choose that. And yeah, this will look like this. And you can write your title. For example, I'll write myself. Oh yeah, and you add space in my house. And then in the tiny space you can write your name, and yeah, write your name. And if you're like in a like class or something, you can also write your class. So I wrote my name, Hajar Ali, and then over from here you can get another slide. By accident I got two, but you need to get one. And on the first one, you can write your title. I wrote my introduction. Okay, and in the lower box, you can write your name. My name is Haja Ali, and you can write your stuff like you can write it on any topic. But I wrote it on myself, and yeah. You guys can write any information you want. And you can also get more slides if you click uh, more slides, and you can get more slides. Like different slides, not more. You can get different types of slides, and you can also work on them. And sometimes PowerPoint slides takes a lot of time to finish, but that's alright. Okay, once you're done, you can work on your second slide. And you can write any other topic. You don't need to write the same topic that you wrote over here, because it will be like one topic double times, and you'll have to read it again and again. I just forgot. You can also write your color, your favorite color, but I think 5 to 6 lines are enough for the first slide, because if it's too long, it will look like that good. Okay, I'm writing my favorite color, which is light pink. I love it. It's so pretty. And then you need to go to your second slide, and you can write your stuff, like whatever you want. want. Um, okay, and on the second slide, you can write like eat whatever you want, but as I told you guys, it doesn't have to be same as as your as your like first slide, because then it will look like double times and people will be bored to write. I mean to read, and yeah. Okay. And once you're done, you also need to go to translations and add. Okay, now I'm gonna write about my sisters, because if I keep writing about myself, like people will be bored to read about myself, and it'll be too much about myself. It needs to be a different topic, and yeah.